Hey everyone, I wanted to give you a little bit of a visual aid into what we're expecting for the peer-to-peer manuscript submission. So as you can see, I have a Word document up here, and if I huddle over top of this, you can see that Zach specifically, when he reviewed this, had a comment over what I was putting for ATs. And then as we looked here, we could see that he was questioning this whole sentence as if it was accurate or not. So these are the type of comments that I'm looking for. So when you go to make a new comment, you're going to highlight the whole entire area. So let's say that this whole area I had a potential issue with. I would click new comment, and then it's going to be hard to see because I'm going to move my video up a little bit, but then I can write comment here. Now let's say that Zach actually went in and he rewrote a little bit because I abbreviated at the beginning of a sentence where ATJ typically does not like that. And so he went in and typed out consensual qualitative, there was a mistake there, qualitative research. And when you see this here, this is how I can tell that you as the reviewer were able to make some comments in. And so what we're going to need to make sure that we check when you submit, I should be able to see comments here. Sometimes it'll say like username, sometimes it'll say like Microsoft user, but typically a lot of times it will have your name so you can differentiate between people. And also then if you did write in the document, it must have track changes. So when you're going to submit this, I'm going to move you guys down a little bit to where there's no comments. You're going to submit two documents for me. You're going to submit your document with your peers' comments on it, and you're going to submit your peers with your comments on it. And so this is twofold. One, so that way we know that your manuscript was reviewed. And second, we're going to be able to go in and see some of the work and see some of the comments that you made as a reviewer. So we're able to help identify some areas potentially to help you by looking over people. One thing I want to continue to talk about here is the idea that this work should be done, but should not be aggressive. It should be constructive, and it should be done in a matter of fact that you guys are all in a pretty similar research boat and that you're wanting to help each other learn and grow. And so as you're going about, my Word document froze, so I apologize for that, but you were able to get a glimpse into what we were expecting you to submit. So please make sure that you have both of these documents up by the due date. They are a little bit time off, but please do not procrastinate as things will get very busy. Reach out with questions, and I'm excited to see the drafts that you guys submit.